Looking for the best air fryer in 2026, but not sure which one is actually worth your money? With so many brands claiming to be the best, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why we've done the research for you. After comparing product features, expert evaluations, and thousands of verified customer reviews, we've narrowed it down to 5 air fryers that consistently deliver outstanding performance, excellent value, and reliable results. Whether you're buying your very first air fryer or upgrading your current one, there's something on this list for every budget. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart, one of the best budget-friendly air fryers you can buy without sacrificing quality. It's a fantastic option for couples, small families, or anyone who wants delicious meals with less oil. With its 6-quart capacity, there's enough room to cook everything from crispy chicken wings and French fries to roasted vegetables and even leftovers, making it a great everyday appliance. One of the biggest reasons this air fryer continues to receive positive reviews is its Even Crisp technology, which helps circulate hot air evenly around the food. The result is crispy, golden brown food on the outside, while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Coming in at number 4 is the Philips 3000 series air fryer. Philips has been one of the biggest names in air fryers for years, and this model continues to prove why the brand has earned such a strong reputation. Designed with rapid air technology, it circulates hot air efficiently to cook food evenly while using little to no oil, giving you healthier versions of your favorite fried meals. Many verified buyers praise this air fryer for producing consistent results every time. Whether you're cooking frozen foods, chicken breasts, vegetables, or homemade fries, it does an excellent job of cooking everything evenly without constantly checking or turning the food. Its compact design also makes it a great choice for smaller kitchens where counter space is limited. Although its cooking basket is slightly smaller than some competing models, its reliability, ease of use, and solid build quality make it a worthwhile choice for individuals, couples, or smaller households looking for an air fryer they can depend on for years. At number 3, we have the Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer, one of the most popular models currently available. Cosori has built a loyal following by combining modern features, stylish designs, and excellent cooking performance at competitive prices, and the TurboBlaze is no exception. One feature that stands out is how quickly and evenly it cooks food. Thousands of buyers mention that meals come out crispy on the outside while remaining moist and flavorful inside. The cooking presets make preparing different types of food simple, whether you're making vegetables, chicken, seafood, or frozen snacks. It's also noticeably quieter than many older air fryer models, something many users appreciate in open-plan kitchens. The TurboBlaze costs a little more than some budget options, but many reviewers believe the improved performance, larger capacity, and convenient features make the extra investment worthwhile. If you're looking for an air fryer that offers an excellent balance between price and premium performance, this one deserves serious consideration. Taking the second spot is the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL, a model that has earned a reputation for its speed, reliability, and consistent cooking results. Ninja has become one of the most trusted kitchen appliance brands, and this air fryer continues that tradition by delivering impressive performance for busy households. Its generous cooking capacity makes it ideal for families, while its powerful heating system helps prepare meals quickly without sacrificing crispiness. Buyers frequently mention that frozen foods, chicken, vegetables, and homemade fries all cook evenly and develop a crispy texture with very little oil. The controls are straightforward, making it easy for anyone to use, and the nonstick basket makes cleaning up after dinner quick and convenient. While it doesn't include every advanced feature available on premium smart air fryers, what it does offer is dependable performance day after day. For many people, that's far more important than having extra features they'll rarely use. Our number 1 pick is the Ninja DoubleStack XL Air Fryer. This innovative design has quickly become a favorite among families and home cooks because it allows you to prepare multiple foods at the same time while taking up less counter space than many traditional dual-basket air fryers. If you've ever struggled to cook an entire meal without waiting for one item to finish before starting another, this model solves that problem beautifully. Its stacked cooking system lets you prepare proteins, vegetables, and side dishes simultaneously while keeping flavors separate. Buyers consistently praise its large cooking capacity, even heat distribution, and impressive cooking speed. Whether you're preparing dinner for a large family or meal prepping for the week ahead, it offers the flexibility and convenience that many other air fryers simply can't match. Although it's the most expensive model on today's list, thousands of satisfied owners believe it's worth every penny because of its performance, durability, and ability to save both time and kitchen space. If you're looking for the best overall air fryer in 2026 and your budget allows for it, the Ninja DoubleStack XL is an outstanding choice. Those are our picks for the best air fryers for every budget in 2026. Every model on today's list has earned its place by consistently receiving strong reviews for performance, reliability, and overall value. No matter your budget or cooking needs, there's an option here that can help make preparing delicious meals faster, easier, and healthier. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe to Home and Kitchen Finds for more honest reviews, product comparisons, and buying guides every week. If you'd like to learn more about any of the air fryers featured today, you'll find links to all of them in the description below. If you choose to purchase through those links, they help support the channel at no extra cost to you, and we truly appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.